Cindy here, physical therapist with Adaptive Equipment Corner. Today we're going to discuss how to try to minimize the amount of water that ends up on the floor when you're using a tub transfer bench in the shower. Okay, first of all, I would recommend buying the least expensive shower curtain possible. I got this one for under $1. The second thing I would recommend is buy more than one because you might make a mistake on the first one, as I have before. So I've got the shower curtain here. I got the tub bench inside the tub here. So we're going to take a minute here and show you how to cut this, and then we will be back to show you how to put it in the tub transfer bench to try to minimize the water. When cutting the shower curtain, I left it hanging on the shower rod right in front of the transfer bench, placed in the tub where I needed it. When you're going to cut this, the top of the V, you don't want it to be any wider than the tub transfer bench width. So I kind of pulled the curtain up onto the bench so that I could see where the sides were. In starting at the bottom of the V, I went right in between the two legs, just an estimate. Started here at the bottom, I left about 1.5 inches width, cut up in the direction of each side of the tub transfer bench in a V shape. And we also had a good comment of putting a piece of box tape at the top of the slit so it would not allow this V shape to run up any further than the actual cut. So now we have our shower curtain cut, and we are going to go ahead and lace this through between the seat of the tub bench. Okay, so we're just going to put the end of it through right like this. That will allow us to grab it, and we're going to pull that on through. All right, then we're going to take each edge and bring it into the tub, okay, and kind of tuck it in. Bring that over like that and tuck that around. And again, what we're trying to do with this is just trying to minimize the amount of water that ends up on the floor. Now, none of this is foolproof. There's going to be water on the floor. So we always recommend putting a towel down, something that's going to absorb the water so that we're being very cautious when the person that's using this bench is getting out of the tub.